Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a close look at the Kenmore BC3006 400 series pet-friendly lightweight bagged canister vacuum cleaner. Designed for homes with pets, carpets, hard floors, and furniture that require deep cleaning, this vacuum combines powerful suction, advanced filtration, and convenient features into one versatile cleaning solution. One of the standout features of the Kenmore BC3006 is its powerful two-motor cleaning system. Unlike many basic vacuum cleaners, this model utilizes separate motors to optimize airflow and brush performance. The result is strong, consistent suction that helps remove dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. Pet owners will especially appreciate the hair Eliminator Brushroll technology. Pet hair can quickly wrap around traditional vacuum brushes, reducing efficiency and requiring frequent maintenance. Kenmore addresses this issue with a brush roll system designed to actively minimize hair tangles, helping maintain performance while saving time during cleaning. Another major advantage is the lightweight canister design. The canister follows smoothly behind as you clean, making it easier to maneuver around furniture, corners, stairs, and tight spaces. Compared to larger upright vacuums, canister vacuums often provide greater flexibility and reach, especially when cleaning under furniture or above floor surfaces. The extended wand significantly increases cleaning range. Whether you're reaching ceiling corners, curtains, shelves, ceiling fans, or under beds, the extended wand helps tackle hard-to-access areas without excessive bending or stretching. The built-in LED headlight is another thoughtful feature. Dust, pet hair, and debris often hide in darker spaces beneath furniture and along baseboards. The LED illumination helps reveal hidden messes, allowing for more thorough cleaning throughout your home. For households concerned about air quality, the sealed HEPA filtration system is a major benefit. HEPA filters capture fine dust particles, allergens, pet dander, and other microscopic debris that may otherwise circulate back into the air. This makes the BC3006 particularly attractive for allergy sufferers and pet owners seeking cleaner indoor air. The bagged design provides a cleaner and more hygienic disposal experience compared to many bagless alternatives. When the bag is full, you simply remove and replace it with minimal dust exposure. This can be especially valuable for individuals sensitive to allergens. Convenience is further enhanced with the automatic cord rewind system. Instead of manually wrapping long power cords after every use, a simple button press quickly retracts the cord into the vacuum body, making storage faster and more organized. The combination of powerful suction, lightweight maneuverability, pet-focused cleaning technology, advanced filtration, and convenient storage features makes this vacuum suitable for a wide range of homes. Whether you're cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, upholstery, stairs, or pet-friendly living spaces, the Kenmore BC3006 is built to handle everyday cleaning challenges effectively. Overall, the Kenmore BC3006 400 series delivers an excellent balance of cleaning performance, convenience, filtration, and pet hair management. It's a strong choice for anyone seeking a dependable bagged canister vacuum with premium features at a competitive value. If you're interested in learning more, check out the product through the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.